Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with ActiveCampaign. This integration allows you to automatically sync contact information from your signed documents directly into your ActiveCampaign account, streamlining your workflow and ensuring your contact lists stay up to date without manual data entry. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your Jotform features. In the upper left corner of the page, click on My Workspace to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select My Signed Documents. This section houses all the documents you've created or are managing through Jotform Sign, making it easy to locate and edit any specific file you need. Now look through your document list and find the specific document you want to integrate with ActiveCampaign. Once you've located it, click the Edit button next to that document. This will open up the document editor where you can make changes and configure various settings. At the top of the editor, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Settings tab to access the configuration options for your document. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to customize how your document behaves and connects with other platforms. On the left side panel within the Settings area, select Integrations. This section displays all the available third-party services you can connect with Jotform Sign. To find ActiveCampaign quickly, type ActiveCampaign into the search bar and select it from the results that appear. Once you've selected ActiveCampaign, you'll see a drop-down menu asking you to choose an action. Select the action that best fits your needs, then click Next to proceed with the setup. This action determines what happens with your data once a document is signed. You'll now need to authenticate your ActiveCampaign account. Enter your base URL in the appropriate field. This is typically your ActiveCampaign account URL, and then enter your API key in the designated field. After filling in these details, click Authenticate. If you're prompted to log into your ActiveCampaign account, go ahead and do so to establish the connection between the two platforms. Next, choose the specific action you want to trigger in ActiveCampaign. For example, you might select Create or Update a contact to ensure that anyone who signs your document is automatically added or updated in your contact database. If the option is available, select the target list in ActiveCampaign where you want new contacts to be added. This helps keep your contacts organized according to your existing segmentation strategy. You also have the option to add a tag to new contacts. For instance, you could use a tag like signups or create a custom tag that helps you identify these contacts later. Tags are incredibly useful for filtering and automating follow-up campaigns. Now comes the field mapping stage, which is crucial for ensuring your data flows correctly. Match the fields from your Jotform signed document to the corresponding contact fields in ActiveCampaign. Common fields include first name, last name, email address, and company name. Make sure that all required fields are correctly aligned so that no data gets lost or misplaced during the transfer. Once you've reviewed all your settings and confirmed that the field mappings are accurate, click Save or Done to finalize the integration. Your Jotform signed documents are now connected to ActiveCampaign, and any future signatures will automatically update your contact lists. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.